Have you ever been mid-thought in ChatGPT, brainstorming, coding, working through homework, and gotten hit with that dreaded "you've reached your limit" message? Well, that wall is about to disappear. OpenAI just dropped an update that makes ChatGPT dramatically more accessible, and it could reshape how millions of people use AI every single day. If you've ever wanted unrestricted conversations with ChatGPT without paying a dime, stick around, because this is genuinely big news. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. That's what keeps this channel running and lets us keep bringing you the latest AI breakdowns. Let's break down exactly what's changing, why it matters, and what it signals about where the AI industry is headed. First, the headline: starting next week, OpenAI is removing text chat rate limits for both free and Go-tier users. That means whether you're testing the waters or using ChatGPT every day, you can chat as much as you want without getting cut off. Up until now, free users constantly ran into walls, especially during a heavy session. You might be brainstorming a business plan, debugging code, or writing an essay at 11 p.m., and suddenly you're told to come back in an hour or tomorrow. That's not a minor inconvenience. For students, small business owners, and creatives, it's a real productivity killer. So why did these limits exist in the first place? Running a model like ChatGPT isn't cheap. Every single prompt burns compute, and multiply that by hundreds of millions of users, and you're looking at massive infrastructure costs. Capping free usage protected OpenAI's systems from overload, and let's be honest, nudged people toward paid plans. That's a classic SaaS freemium play. But here's the good news. This update is OpenAI saying, we want as many people using AI as possible. That's either a bold bet on long-term engagement, a sign their infrastructure has scaled dramatically, or both. Now, a couple of caveats. This unlimited benefit applies specifically to text-based conversations. If you want ChatGPT to analyze a spreadsheet, read a PDF, or interpret an image, those resource-heavy actions still carry limits, at least for now. So if your workflow leans on file uploads or vision features, you'll still want to watch your usage or consider ChatGPT Plus. But for the huge majority of everyday use, asking questions, writing, researching, working through ideas, this removes the single biggest point of friction free users have complained about for years. That's not the only change rolling out next week. OpenAI is also introducing a new Think button built specifically for free and Go users. Tap it, and ChatGPT shifts into a higher reasoning mode, built for the moments when a quick answer just isn't enough. Maybe you're troubleshooting a tricky technical problem, working through a business strategy, or wrestling with a genuinely complex question. Previously, that kind of deep reasoning was mostly gated behind paid tiers. By opening it up to everyone, OpenAI is making serious reasoning power far more democratic, not just a perk for people who can afford a subscription. On top of that, OpenAI is quietly upgrading ChatGPT's default capabilities for free and Go users. Even if you're not paying anything, you're getting a smarter, more capable model right out of the box. That's a meaningful signal. OpenAI isn't just adding features, they're raising the floor for every single user, regardless of tier. Now here's a point worth sitting with. This move doesn't happen in a vacuum. Google's Gemini and Anthropic's Claude have both been tightening the free tier experience over the past year, often gating their most capable reasoning models behind paid plans. OpenAI, going the opposite direction, removing limits while its competitors add friction, is a competitive signal, not just a product update. That's why this matters beyond ChatGPT users specifically. When the market leader drops a barrier like this, it puts pressure on every other AI company to match it or risk losing free tier users who now have a less restricted alternative right next door. And that leads to a second point businesses should pay attention to. Unlimited free tier access changes the calculus for how teams adopt AI internally. If your employees can now use ChatGPT without hitting caps, informal AI adoption inside your company is going to accelerate, with or without an official policy. That's an opportunity, but it's also a governance question. Teams that get ahead of this by setting clear guidelines around what data goes into free tier tools and where a paid or enterprise-grade solution actually makes sense are going to avoid painful mistakes down the road. This is exactly the kind of shift that separates companies who thoughtfully integrate AI from those who stumble into it by accident. Let's put it all together. unlimited text chats, a new high-reasoning think mode, and stronger default capabilities. These aren't incremental tweaks. They're OpenAI systematically removing the barriers between everyday people and world-class AI. For power users, that means round-the-clock access to an improving assistant for business planning, coding, and personal productivity without hidden paywalls. For students and casual users, it means far more room to experiment and actually learn what this technology can do. Here's the real takeaway. AI access is no longer reserved for people who can afford a subscription. OpenAI's latest move pushes the industry closer to a future where world-class artificial intelligence is available to anyone with an internet connection. And that shift is going to ripple through how competitors price their own products and how businesses think about AI adoption from here forward. If you're excited about these changes or want to know how to integrate AI into your workflow, let us know in the comments. And if you're running a business and wondering how AI can help you get ahead, we'd love to chat. Check out the link in the description. And before you click away, don't forget to watch the related video popping up in the corner for even more insight on the latest AI updates. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.